Hello everyone, welcome to the Vishnu Pod Academy, and now we are going to make a project on Scratch. The project is going to be our maze game. As you can see on the screen, we have got the maze over there, and the cat, and the mouse also. So after clicking on the green flag, I can start my game, move my cat, and make it clear the maze. So it's a long maze, but I have to use my arrow keys to move this, as I have put up in the code. The cat is moving up, down, left and right on pressing the arrow keys on the keyboard. So it's almost done, and I have cleared the entire passage with the help of the cat, and I have reached my destination, that is my mouse, and it shows I have won the game. So this is exactly what we are going to create right now in our project. So let's get started. I've already created my stage. I've got a maze image. This I have uploaded from my computer, which I had earlier downloaded, and I have got a sprite mouse from the sprites category. I have got all the animals over here, so I had selected the mouse from here, and I already had the cat, but I have just made a few changes over here to the cat size. I've reduced it to 15, and even the mouse size I have reduced it to 15, because since my maze passages are very small, so I need the cat size to be very small to be able to move through those passages. So let's get started and write the code. I want my cat to move, but first of all it should move on clicking this green flag. So going to the events category, I have got my green flag block. When the green flag will be clicked, the program will start running. So I've got this block, and then I need all the conditions for my cat to move on pressing the up, down, left and right arrow keys. So for that I need a forever loop, so that till the code is made to run, all those conditions are checked every time. I can get my forever block in my control section. From my control section, I even have my if blocks. So I need to take my if block from here, and first we'll set the condition for the up arrow key. So I have to check if it is an up arrow key. Taking this key block from the sensing category, I have to select up arrow from here, and then after it is checked that it is an up arrow, we need to make changes to the coordinates also. How will the code be able to know that what it has to do? If I press the up arrow key, my cat should move upwards. That means my y value should change by some value which I can decide. So going to the motion section, over here I am changing it to 2, I want to take small steps, so I have made a small value over here, or else I can make a give bigger any value like 3, 5, 10, anything I want. And then I want my sprite's costume to change when it is moving. It should look like it is moving. But when the sprite is moving inside the maze and it is moving upwards, it could touch this black boundary. But I don't want the cat to move beyond this black boundary. So I need to put a condition for that also. Again, I need an if block for that. So I need to sense if it is touching the black color. If the color is black, then it shouldn't move any further. So over here I'll change my y value. If it is touching the black boundary, my y value will change by -2. So here it was a +2, and on getting a -2, it will become, y value will become 0, and so there will be no movement upwards on touching the black color. So this is the code done for my up arrow. I need a similar code for my down arrow also, so I'm just duplicating this and I'll put below this block. Here I need to make a few changes, just changing from the up to down. Y value instead of +2 to -2, and this one from -2 to +2. Rest everything is same. Then I need a code even for my left and right arrow keys. So doing exactly the same thing, just with a few changes. So I need to check if it is a left arrow key. Okay, so if it is a left arrow key, if the cat is asked to move to the left side, then the X value should change by negative. So I'll go to motion, select change X by -2. And then again I want a new costume. And again when it is moving to the left, if it is touching the black color, it shouldn't move any further. So again I need an if block. I need to sense the black color. If it is a black color, I need to change my X value again, and it should be a +2 so that it can cancel out and there will be no changes. I need a same thing for my right arrow. So I'll just copy this again and make this to right. This X value will be +2. This will be -2. And my code is done for all my arrow keys. But what about the mouse? When my cat will touch the mouse, I should be able to know that my game is over and I have won the game. So I need a code for that. So I need to sense if it has touched the mouse. Again taking an if block and a sensing touching mouse block. If it is touching mouse 1, which is the name of our sprite, it should tell me that I have won the game. So taking, say, you won, for 3 seconds, say, and then it should play even a good sound that I have won the game. Okay, it should play the sound, and then after this it should do this at least for some time. So let me take a wait block and make it do this for 3 seconds. After this is done, the game is over. I have won the game. The cat should move back to its original position. So going to the motion category, selecting go to block from there. Go to back to its original position. And my code is done for the maze game. So let's go and check how it's working. I've clicked on the green flag, my right arrow key is working perfectly, then my down arrow key is also working perfectly, left is also working, and top is also working. So all my arrow keys are perfectly working, my sprite is running in the maze, and I'm clearing the passage very easily. See, when it is touching the black color, its speed is getting down, it's not able to move. See, when I'm touching the up arrow key continuously, when it has already touched the black color, it is not able to move any further. Or same for the left, same for the right, and same for the down arrow key. So as we had written the code, you must have understood how it is exactly working over here. And we have finally reached our destination, that is our mouse. This is the sound we had added. And see, after 3 seconds, it is back to its original position. So we are done with the game. You can stop it. And thank you.